What's up, everybody? I'm back. It's the next morning. We're here again. I really want to get this gap closed up down there. So I have the 20-ton jack in the basement. We'll go down there now. I'll show you that. So I have the 20-ton jack between them. I had to use that little board because I couldn't fit another 2x6 in there. So once I get it up a little bit, I already cranked both of these up a little bit as I pushed up. So I'm going slow. You know, I hear a little cracking and creaking here and there, but I took I don't know what that is. It's a big old beam that I had at home. And I just cut that to size. And we're putting it in there. And then once I get up a little ways, I'm going to take that janky board out of there and put on something bigger. But it's going. So it's what, 10:15 right now, and I just measured upstairs. It's 1.5 inches. So yesterday we started at 2 inches. So I'll keep you, I'm going to do a time lapse thing or a time tracking thing. So see how long it takes us. All right, so we're doing it. We moved about 1/8 inch. So just so you know, I'm not a structural engineer. I don't have a degree. None of that. I just try to use common sense. And, you know, I mean, you just take your time. Like this old girl has settled so much over, you know, however many years. Like, you can't just come in here and go to town and, you know, jack her all up. So I give it a few pumps. I wait a minute to hear there's nothing running upstairs. Nobody's here. Give it a minute to hear if there's any cracks or any noises. And go by the feel of the jack. Like, you know, if it feels really hard, then I give it a minute. But it is working. What I'd like to do is get it up almost to where it's supposed to be and take one of these out and extend it out and screw that in, screw the threads in so that the threads aren't sticking up so much, and then, you know, reset everything, and then do the same with that one. Reset it, and then, like, see, I hear it cracking. So it's moving, so, but then reset the jack so that there's not so much thread sticking out. And then, you know, because these are going to stay here for however long, my lifetime. I'm not taking them out. So the only way to really fix this, I guess, would be to, again, I'm not an engineer, but to get an I-beam that goes the whole span of the house. But then I think you'd still need supports too. So, like, the jacks are going to be it. Like, they're going to be here. So, like, I think it was 5 pumps before it got me almost 1/8 inch. Or a little over 1/8 inch. You know, I don't know if you can hear that, but I hear a little ding, 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 ding. So I wait for that to stop. I can jack these up though. See, now I hear it cracking. Like I said, this is just farming 101. Like, you know, it's just common sense. Like, I'm not anybody special. I'm just doing what I think I need to do to get this to move. So, with that, I'll keep you posted. I don't want to bore you and let you sit here and watch this. It's like watching grass grow. What? All right, so we're here. I'm up to an inch, almost an inch and a quarter left. Like I started at 2 inches, inch and a half. Now I'm almost at an inch and a quarter. So it's been sitting for probably 45 minutes. I've heard a little bit of cracking, so we're gonna try to keep going. All right, so we took each jack out and we lowered the threads. So now we have more travel. There, 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 and there. So we're making progress. We're almost up to 1 inch. Gap up there from 2 inches, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to hit the 1 inch today. One of the beams popped a little bit ago. I didn't have it on recording, but scared the crap out of me. So I let it sit for a little while. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, so we're back home. My kids called and said we had an issue. So we're back at the farm, and this is our issue. Everybody escaped. Nobody left in the hut. So we gotta feed them. So I got them. I don't like coming home to that, but I was done at the stone house. We got the floor. I got 7/8 of an inch left to go on the floor, so I'm gonna let it sit a little bit and then go up there a couple nights this week and keep going. So I got a few more chickens to get in, and I'll probably call it a day. Get to know a farmer.